आउज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पहले बच्चों अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. We will inshallah discuss nutrition in plants, which is in class 7th science. There are various life processes which are very essential for the survival of living organisms. For example, respiration, circulation, digestion, excretion, and one among them is that is nutrition. Just like there is respiration, very essential life process. Similarly, nutrition is one of the basic and important life process for the survival of living organisms. So what is nutrition? Nutrition is the process of intake of food and its utilization by the body. So the process, the intake of food. Process of intake of food is called nutrition. So this nutrition, it is of various types. So broadly, we can categorize nutrition into two main types: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. So what is autotrophic nutrition? Auto means self and tropos means nourishment. That means self nourishment, which prepares their own food. So we see green plants. Green plants prepare their own food. So therefore they are autotrophs. They are having autotrophic mode of nutrition. So dear students, solar energy, sun rather, is a main source of energy on the earth. Okay, I will repeat. Solar energy is the main source of energy on earth. So Almighty Allah have bestowed these green plants the capability that they trap this solar energy, they convert this solar energy into chemical energy by the process what we call photosynthesis. Okay, what is photosynthesis? The process by which green plants prepare their own food by taking water through roots, carbon dioxide through leaves in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So green plants, they absorb water through roots, they take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through leaves, through stomata, which are small pores in the leaves. They absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through these stomata. So this carbon dioxide and water combine together in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form this glucose C6H12O6. So this glucose is the food for plant. So this glucose is prepared out of carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight. So this is the reaction of photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is green plants prepare their food. They prepare glucose from carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight. So dear students, this autotrophic nutrition is that nutrition whereby green plants prepare their own food by taking carbon dioxide through leaves, absorbing water through leaves in presence of sunlight. Okay, you got it now. Now heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is that nutrition the animals and other non-green plants which are not having the ability to prepare their own food, they depend on others. They depend especially on plants for their food. So the nutrition of these animals and non-green plants is called heterotrophic nutrition. Hetero means different. So they do their nutrition differently. They are dependent on these green plants for their food. So this heterotrophic nutrition, it is of various types. Further, so parasitic nutrition, you find that cascata which lives on these tall plants like walnut, etc. So there is the relationship between parasite and host. Parasite is benefited on the expense of the host. So this is parasitic nutrition. Like in animals, we see bugs, bugs among these um, domestic animals. They take their pollen. So these bugs they are parasites, and the animals they act as host. So host is completely in loss, whereas these parasites they take their food from their host. Symbiotic nutrition is another type of nutrition whereby both the species, both the organisms they combine together and they get benefited equally. For example, algae. Algae is lichen. Sorry, it is lichen. Lichen is combination of algae plus fungi. Algae plus fungi. So this algae it is green, so it performs the process of photosynthesis, while this fungi it absorbs nutrients from dead decomposing matter. So both are equally benefited. This fungi it provides material, it provides minerals, while as this algae it prepares food by the process of photosynthesis. So this combination algae and fungi it is called a lichen. So lichen is an example of symbiotic nutrition. Okay, saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition is that nutrition, dear students, where these fungi or mushrooms they take their food from dead decomposing matter. Okay, insectivorous nutrition. Insectivorous nutrition where there are some special plants like pitcher plant which has a modified leaf. So that modified leaf that catch these insects and absorbs them. So this is insectivorous nutrition. So our main thrust is on autotrophic nutrition, nutrition in plants. So autotrophic nutrition is that nutrition whereby plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, what is photosynthesis? It is that process whereby green plants prepare their own food by absorbing water through roots, carbon dioxide through leaves in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, I hope you have understood this lesson. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will proceed ahead with discussing some other subtopics of this nutrition in plants. Thank you very much.